Yeah, hello, good day. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. Today we'll be talking about how to set your trades and copy a trader. We've talked about Lexo in our previous video. Today we'll be talking about Trade Gold LD. Okay, we'll check and see the correct name. Okay, but before you do that, like I said in my previous video, you must make sure that you have set up your PU Prime and also log into your PU's on social and you've connected the two together. Okay, and also you've connected it to your MetaTrader 5. So after that has been set, then you can now copy a trader and you copy Tradeversity trader. And note, before you even do all this, you must have activated your Tradeversity account. Okay, make sure you activate your Tradeversity account, and you're not just activating it, you're activating a gold package. That's the only package for trading for the trade. So that being said, okay, what next do we do? We click on PU Social. Then on the Discover page, you type in our trader. That is um, Trader Gold or Gold. Is it Trader Gold? I can go and check that. Okay. Let's go and check that. Let's confirm. Sorry. Um, we're confirming the products. Loan trading. Okay. Okay. Gold trader healthy. So, but you can copy it from here. Okay. Then we take it to uh, PU Social and we paste, we search. So this is Gold Trader Ellie. Okay, Gold Trader Ellie. Then the next thing is to copy. Okay, we click copy. This, it's obvious that the charges is going to be 30% of the profit being made. So you don't need to do anything that is not clickable. The next thing to click is this. Okay. Then you click on it, and like we said, fix simply means you fixed some amount per trade. Then mirror master size means you're mirroring your master. That means what size is trading, you're mirroring it, you're trading in ratio to that. So you can also trade in proportional by equity. That means the person's capital. You can trade in ratio to the person's capital. You can trade in ratio to the person's balance. But we want to choose a mirror master size. Okay. And after choosing mirror master size, then the proportion is what you need to adjust. So now, for this particular trader, please, for every 5,000 you have, whether dollars, whether cents you have, you should be trading zero point 0.2. That's on a high risk. And on a good low risk, you trade zero point 0.1. So the difference is that there's going to be a stop loss. So you will not lose more than your stop loss, but it is when you're trading with zero point 0.1, you get, far away from your stop loss. So most of the time, the stop loss is useless. But this might get you closer to your stop loss, you know, closer. But that doesn't mean it's just the highest risk I feel you can go. So it doesn't mean you have to be getting to your stop loss every now and then. This trader is a very good trader. And the advantage is this gives you more money than this, but this makes you safer than this. So that's the difference. So what do you want to choose for every 5,000? So if you are on a low risk, 5,000 means zero point 0.1. Then 10,000 means zero point 0.2. 15,000 means zero point 0.3. You understand? But if you're on a high risk, 5,000 is zero point 0.2, 10,000 is zero point 0.4, 15,000 is zero point 0.6, and so on. So I think you get it now. So that's a high risk. It's always good to maintain this. I've done a higher percentage before that I I skipped through, but you need to know what you're doing. You don't have to go for higher rates because of money. So the highest rate is the 0.2 ratio. That's the highest rates I wish you are into. While 0.1 is also a good deal, it makes you very safe. It makes your account very, very safe. So at least. So we are adjusting the proportion now to 0.2 because this is a $10,000 account. So sorry. So 0.2, and this is a save account. Now, this is a low risk. So you can make it 0.4 on a high risk. So then the next thing here is round up to minimum trade size. Yeah, you click on this. Copy existing trades. No, don't click on that because you don't know the existing trades. You don't know. If they are almost as in if they are on their way out, so that you don't just go into a trade at the wrong time. So you want to wait for the next trade. So I click agree and copy. I go down, I confirm all this, then I click OK, then I click yes also. So here you click on max drawdown. That means what is the max drawdown you want to accept? Okay, max drawdown. Okay, like I said in my previous one, I would prefer to choose add stop level over soft stop level. The reason is this: soft simply means when it gets to that particular point, it goes and the trader starts a new trade. It might start trading. It is not might, it will start trading for you. That means when it gets to 30% of your capital, that means when a trade goes against you, 30% of your capital, it will sell. It will sell in loss. So you will lose 30%. But immediately after that, the trader might want to correct that. Like, oh, I lose this. So let me correct this. Let me start a new trade to cover up. So your trade would cover up. But when it comes to hard, that means you continue trading. When it comes to hard, when you go that percentage, it cuts you, it accepts your loss, and it waits for you to come back and readjust the trade. And like, okay, do I still want to continue trading with this person? And the advantage is the trader might not be in a stable mode at that time. Probably something went wrong and he was distracted or something. So even when he tries to like, let me do other trades to at least get it right, it might still not be in the good mood. So it might just be, unstable at that time. So you want to wait and hear the news. Like, is this guy back in trade? Um, is it stable now before I can join him again? So I'll prefer the hard. You understand? So hard stop level. Then I said 30% is okay because 15% sometimes system goes 15% before they go to the top again. So that's that. Okay. And I said the least I feel anybody should go is 25%, while 30% is okay. And the highest anybody should go is 40%. So you can either go 25, 30, 35, 40, but I stay with 30%. So, and I'll be clicking on agree. So when I click on agree, it simply means this guy can always trade for me. So let's go and check. You click on account here and see if you have started copying this guy. Okay, it's here on your strategy. So far it's on the strategy, that simply means you have started copying this guy. So it makes more sense. So anytime this guy is trading, you're trading. So you're making good money. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more detailed videos on more things you can do on Forex, making use of Tradeversity.